allow ourselves
to introduce ourselves.
I'm Michelle.
I'm John, and bienvenidos a Smewe.
Welcome to the Smewe. We officially met back in the gym in 2003, but have actually known each other since 1990.
Ooh, do tell. We were both born and raised in Ontario, Canada, and have been traveling the world together since we met, and now live in beautiful Puerto Escondido, Mexico.
We both owned and operated a CrossFit gym for almost 10 years in Ontario and still remain active and certified with CrossFit, but now we're lucky enough to run our businesses entirely online so we can be anywhere in the world helping people live their best lives with our proven Smewe method. I have been in the health and wellness world for over 20 years, and as a 17-year cancer survivor and BRCA1 carrier, I am hyper in tune with women and the hormonal changes that occur as we age. While advocating for my own health challenges, I've discovered the best way for women to find balance between health, happiness, and acceptance in their lives.
I have been an entrepreneur my entire life, doing real estate, building custom log homes, starting an obstacle adventure race, and opening a gym. Fitness and nutrition became a part of my life when at 16, I was 239 pounds. The pain of not having the confidence to talk to girls overwhelmed me, and that's where I found value in making better choices. As coaches, we're always looking for opportunities to learn from others and share our experiences in return.
We are super excited for you to be joining us at the second She Roars the Rising on Saturday, October 14th at Bluemountainvillage, a dynamic and empowering event that celebrates the strength and resilience of women. If you've already heard the bios from our workshop presenters, then you know this event is exactly what you need.